Okay, today I'll be showing my project for DAT602 Everyware. Okay, right now I'm on my GitHub page. I'm just going to download it. I have my README file over here, which just guides you on how to run the project. I'll be deploying it locally on my laptop. Okay, Chatbot extract here. And I'll be using VS Code, and just ensure that you have Python. I'm using Python 3.7. So make sure you have everything correct, your path and everything. Else it's going to start messing up. Also, make sure you have pip installed. Pip is going to that's what we're going to use to run the requirements. We need ChatterBot. That's the first one. We need Flask. We need SQL Alchemy. So what you can do is basically pip install -r requirements.txt. It will just download everything that you need. Okay. So here we have index. We have static. That's just for the HTML, CSS things. jQuery. Go down. So now let's just open terminal. So basically I already have trained data over here. That's a DB SQLite 3. If you actually want to train it yourself, maybe you want to add to the text, you could delete file DB or the DB files and sentence tokenizer, and you can run it yourself. If you actually want to train it yourself, when you're running it, type in python train.py and it will train. You'll see it training, learning, and then you can run it. But to run it and for it to be deployed, type in python, so python chatbot.py. You just have to wait for a second. Okay, as you can see, our server started. We have a development server. So control click. Okay, now you can see I wanted to kind of simulate a Twitter conversation of Trump. So you can see the Twitter on dark mode. That's the background. And then the text bubbles, same color. Try to make it as similar. Even the placeholder for start a message. Okay, so hey. Just have to wait for the first response. Hello. Who are you? I'm great. No. Name? Huh. Do you watch NBC Network? No. I'm not. My name is Kemal. Yes. True. What is your name? Donald Trump. For instance, if you say something like, you suck, I am the greatest. Thoughts on Obama? Obama's, let's try and see, an exaggerated way of how Trump would possibly speak if it was actually messaging him, but I'm sure he wouldn't really text this, because I don't think you can delete Twitter messages. Let's see. Are you rich? China? You can just, it's been trained on a large corpus of data, very large, like randomly large, on things Trump would know and that he would relate to. Who is your daughter? Yeah, stuff like that. And it also quotes from him, tweets, and things he said. I had to watch a lot of Trump rally videos to kind of get the small stuff like huge, incredible, tremendous, and all those small words that he uses in his vocabulary. So yeah, it's an interesting thing, very interesting. Yes, you are. So yeah, so I think this is, it was a cool project for me to work on. Very cool. Learned a lot. If I'd like to make it more complex. To actually learn more. Because I think, if I had more time, I could really develop it. But I think it's okay for now. It's really like having a conversation with someone, but someone who's trying to always kind of lead a conversation in a way. Yeah. So goodbye. Bye. See you later. Okay. Goodbye, Trump. And you can just close the server. But since it's open right now, if you're on GitHub and the server is open, you could just go to local setup, and the demo will be live at localhost 5,000, and it's the same thing. Yeah. And also, there's a link to Donald Trump's Twitter, so it's kind of like a real simulation. Like, I believe on Twitter you can click the profile picture and it takes you to there. Yeah. So that's it. No, it's not. It's just to make everything feel more real. Yeah. So that's my project for Everyware 602. I hope you liked it. Thank you.